Welcome back! Okay guys, so time to update the electrical in here. I'm going to tap off of this wire that we see here. I'm going to go all the way up to that peak, drop down some wire to a 48-inch down rod ceiling fan that's going to look hot in this room. Let's get started. To tap into that wiring that you're seeing at the bottom, I'm going to drill a 1/2-inch hole at the top and run my wire down. So what I have here to make the connection, I have some 14-2 wiring. This is what I'm going to use to drop down and hit that box at the bottom. So, unfortunately there's so much insulation in here, I can't fish my wiring through this wall. So what I'm going to do is make some cuts from stud to stud so I can place it back in afterwards. We're gonna go with a slim LED light for the ceilings here. Reason being because there's not much room to work with the foam board that I already have in here. So that's gonna be our best option. I'm gonna cut and start measuring where our cans gotta go so we can have even placement. On point, baby, on point. With this on it, these scissors, you get popped in the head and the eye. My wife did that once. Remember that time you left that device on the ladder trying to kill somebody?
No, I don't remember that, but I do remember when that sheetrock hit your head because you said you had it.
Oh, no.
All right? So calm down now, buddy,
please.
all right?
Remember that?
Calm down.
Remember that time you tried to kill somebody? I got proof she left that on the ladder.
I got proof that thing hit you over your head.
He was trying to kill. If he left the hand right on, he said, "Click."
Don't be talking junk to me,
Trying to
Greg.
destroy somebody.
Don't be trying to talk about me.
Oh, please.
Don't come for me. Don't come for me.
We're working behind the scenes. I had to clean up after you. I had to clean up, make sure she's staying safe.
All right, baby. So the electrical, or is all the electricity coming from that light right there that we took out?
Yeah. So what, I have a extra. There's a box on the other side of the wall, right here. So what I'm gonna do is tap into the power on that one, bring it over on this side. And that gives me power for my lights, for my cans. That's my fan. Okay guys, I've got the fan and lights all in a separate circuit here. They're all labeled and tagged off there so I know which each one is for. And while I was doing this, my wife, explain it, baby.
Okay, so this beautiful light right here, I don't know why they decided to put 2 lights right here, but we have no light on the outside of the house. So what I want my husband to do is take this light and move it to the outside so then we can have light outside, right?
I think that's doable, baby.
Yeah, I think it's a smart idea instead of having just 2, what is this called? Scones?
It's sconce.
Scones.
Yeah.
Scones.
We're gonna take that, put it on the outside.
Yeah.
It's look fantastic, baby. All right.
I'm excited.
Okay.
Yes.
I got more work to do tomorrow.
Guys, the price of wood is absolutely ridiculous. So my husband and I came to Home Depot just to see what we wanted to do as far as the ceiling, because the project is taking a lot longer than expected. As much as we love it, it's taking a lot longer, right, honey?
It's a pain in the butt.
So we are working here and trying to figure this out, but I want to show you guys this. Look at these prices. But look right over here. So my husband and I were looking at $18.34 each. Okay, that's nuts. These prices are ridiculous. We end up coming to this section and look. But this option was not bad. And since the pieces that we need are not too big, we decided to go with a few of these and see if it'll work, right, baby?
Let's go. I think you got a good better.
You almost fell, boy.
I sure did. You get on out of here.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things.
All right, guys, so we were just testing the stain, and this is aged bourbon. Is it Czar?
No. Yeah, it is Czar.
Okay, by Czar, and we love the way it looks. It just, I don't know, can you really see it? We love the way it looks. Another thing is that I didn't mention, we decided to go with these slats instead of what we were doing before, because as much as we love saving the money, the time is ridiculous. And we've said it before, a million times before. I'm a nurse. He's
I'm a contractor.
Full-time, and we got the kids doing distance learning. It just doesn't work out for us to take too much time doing certain things. We love the process and stuff. It was nice. And for someone else who can do it, I mean, it's doable. It just didn't make sense for us.
It takes a lot of labor to get all those boards planed up, worked out. All the nails come out of there. It's just a lot of work. So we're just going to do it our way.
Yeah.
Right, Julie?
Right, what did you call her?
Ray Julie? She got a lot to say.
All right, so let's start this.
All right, got my measurement. Time to make those cuts. Hey, babe! Babe!
Yeah!
Come on in.
Let me
Making
see.
progress. Let's see how she likes it.
Let me see.
You like it?
I love it! Oh,
Looking good, huh?
yeah!
Making progress,
Give
babe.
me back.
All right, baby.
Give me a kiss, you
Looking
baby.
good. You ready to go
Don't
out?
fall now, because I'm going to die laughing. Oh my God, it looks so good,
It
babe.
does, doesn't it?
Yes. I can't wait for it to be done.
You ready to go out tonight?
I'm ready.
All right, guys. The sun's going down. We got the electrical done. We got made progress on the ceiling.
Yes.
The stain is going on next week. Stay tuned.
Bye, guys.